Hi everybody, today we're going to take a look at a new laptop. It's pretty minimalistic from HP. This just got delivered to me in a package, so I just wanted to unbox it and share it with you guys. So let's have a look. So it is the HP Elitebook. I don't know. Yes, my pronunciation is not fine today. The HP Elitebook. So it comes in gray. With the HP logo embossed on it at the center. At the back, it comes with the details of the specifications of the standard and of the companies, the logos. This comes pre-installed with Windows 10. So that's the primary purpose of getting this small light notebook, Elitebook as you can say, to test the Windows 10 functionality on this device. But we have to look at the hardware first. So looking at the ports, we have a display port. This is a USB-A port, a SIM tray, a headphone jack, and an RJ45 network port, a lightning port, and the power point to plug the power in. So they have got a very good system here where this panel stays at the same level and you can just expand it and plug in your RJ45 cable to plug into the LAN network. This side it has another USB-A, a card reader, a USB-C or some other port. I need to take a look at this. It's very light. It's not, I won't say it is really light, but it is lighter than many other laptops because this is an Elitebook. This is not a proper laptop. This is a miniature laptop. Comes with this power brick. So with the standard power brick, 45 watt power brick. Wall plug point, the charger, which this one goes into this with those 3 pin points here, and you should be good to go with this. I will have a look at this Windows 10 device and test out applications on this and come back with the performance benchmark of this laptop. Bezels are a bit thick here as per my understanding. It has the hardware camera. This bezel is explanatory. We can still explain it. This one because it has the camera, but this one is, I think it's really big. In today's time, this is not the standard bezel. The bezels are very minimal these days. It has the engravement of the organizations, the Elitebook. The keyboard is and the trackpad are very minimalistic. The trackpad is not that big, it's kind of standard. The key travels look okay. It depends now when you start using it how smooth it gets. The travel is okay, but it's not a full-sized keyboard anyways with the number keypad missing. It's Intel, it's i5 8th generation processor. The sticker specifies that. I'll come back with the further details of the performance and usage of this laptop. This was the unboxing of the HP Elitebook. Here it says Elitebook, and it's with Intel i5 8th generation processor. I think this is a 13-inch screen. Thank you very much. Hope you like the video and hit the subscribe button to support the channel. Thank you.